Good morning, everyone. Welcome. This is Dr. Akhya Anand from Dr. Akhya Anand Physiotherapy and Lifestyle Clinic. So आज हम बात करेंगे TMJ joint के बारे में. TMJ is your temporomandibular joint. Temporo and this is your mandibular. TMJ joint, temporomandibular joint. Why I'm taking this topic TMJ joint because many of us have hidden problems of this TMJ joint. What is hidden problem? Our mouth opening size. Jaw mouth opening size reduces gradually. We couldn't able to notice that because in today's our lifestyle we forget to eat few of the things like roasted chana. हम बच्चों को नहीं देते हैं खाने को, जिससे बच्चों का जॉ साइज भी ओपन अप नहीं हो पाता है. वाइड एंगल, ये माउथ का एंगल शॉर्ट रह जाता है, जिससे उनका विजडम टूथ आता ही नहीं है. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेजर प्रॉब्लम इन टुडेज लाइफस्टाइल. So we have to focus on our TMJ joint also, and we have to do the exercises for this TMJ joint, and also to teach our kids also to do the exercise for the TMJ, and few basic things add in your kids diet also, to have the bhuna hua chana in your diet, roasted almonds, peanuts. We are not availability, we find very less availability of the sugar cane also. गन्ने, हम लोग गन्ने चूसा करते थे पहले. हमारे जो पेरेंट्स एंड सिस्टर्स, उनका वाइड माउथ ओपन होता था, टीएमजे में कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती थी. अब अगर आप कोई टूथ एक्सट्रैक्शन करवाते हैं, कुछ निडल लगवाते हैं या कुछ कोल्ड हो जाता है, आपका टीएमजे स्टिफ हो जाता है. टू अवॉइड ऑल दिस वी हैव टू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द टीएमजे जॉइंट एंड डू द एक्सरसाइजेस. एंड इफ़ योर टीएमजे समटाइम्स स्टिफनेस है, यहाँ पेन है, लॉक हो गया है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं इसको मेक इट लूज, मेक इट स्मूथ, मेकिंग फ्री मोबाइल. सो फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी कैन डू इज आइस. टेक एन आइस क्यूब, मसाज ओवर योर TMJ joints for one ice cube or two ice cubes for 1 minute, from 5 minutes to 20 minutes. First. Second, we can do the massage with our finger pulps, with any gel, moisturizer, any oil, massage to relax in the muscle and to relax in the joint. Massage in a clockwise manner, 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise, in a circular motion. Third, few of the relaxation exercise, breathing exercises, relax exercise, and few specific exercise for the TMJ. So first is temporomandibular joint relaxed movements, jaw movements. First is side to side movement. Second, front and back movement. These are the two relaxed jaw movements. Repeated each movement 10 times. This is one set, and repeated initially for the 5 times, then progress it to 10 times. Second exercise, that is goldfish exercise. What is this? In this, we have to keep one finger, our index finger, over the TMJ joint, one finger here over our chin. You have to do the half mouth opening. You can feel the movement at the TMJ joint also and your mouth opening also. Second progression for this goldfish exercise is, in the second you have to do the full mouth opening. In the first we are doing half mouth opening, and the second we are doing the full mouth opening, like this. So this is goldfish exercise. Third is resisted mouth opening and mouth closing. कैसे करते हैं हम इसको? If we need to open the mouth, we have to do the resistance from here. Hold it for 10 seconds and repeat it for 10 times. Resisted mouth opening. Second is resisted mouth closing. Relax. Then again repeat the relaxed jaw movements side to side and the front and back. Next exercise is your chin tuck. How we can do the chin tucks? This is your chin, relax shoulder, tuck your chin in, hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. I repeat, chin tucks. 10-second hold, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. And the one more exercise, that is your filling the air in your mouth. 10-second hold and release. Next, last exercise is keep your tongue at the floor of your mouth and try to open and close the mouth. Again, 10 times with the 10 sets. Do all these exercises and see the difference in your temporomandibular joint, your jaw movements, your mouth opening, your flexibility, your bite size increase. You are able to chew the food more compared to earlier moments. So do all these exercises. TMJ joint, if any problem, if you face any problem of jaw locking, अटक जाता है mouth, हार्ड बाइट नहीं कर पाते हैं, दर्द होता है, you feel all the symptoms are reducing day by day. You feel better by doing all these temporomandibular joint exercises. If any query, any question, don't forget to like my channel and subscribe my channel. Any query, you can call us or you can check our website link. It's given in the description box. And please subscribe the video, subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you and regards. Thank you.